Hello, my name is Laura. I live in my van that I converted myself, and I travel with Snuffkin and my 2 guinea pigs. So why don't you join me on my adventures? Here on my channel, Destination Unknown. You just got me all over. He was asleep. Oh, Snappy. Ah, Snappy.
Crystals that need answering.
You've only just arrived.